Kasi syempre ako, very observant ako eh. So nakikita ko yung mga galaw ng anak ko.
Naubos na yung tissue sa bahay.
Nababasa ko yung utak niya. Alam mo yun. So if may nakikita ako na gano'n na, okay, may girl nagsumusunod-sunod, yung gano'n. So I always have to remind him na, hoy ha, okay, it's normal, you'll get tempted. Sometimes you'll get curious kung ano ba to. But this is what I want you to know. When you have, you know naman, di ba, that you have a sexual education in your school, gano'n. But they don't teach you how it will happen. So when you have a relationship and you have a girlfriend, if it's just the two of you, sometimes you'll get tempted. At your age, wag mo munang gawin. Don't.
Yeah.
Tapos magtatanong yung anak ko, so at what age can I have a girlfriend? Niloloko ko minsan 40.
Basta anak, pag nini-enjoy mo na, masarap na yung feeling, hugot na.
Hindi, pero pag sinasabi ko lagi, pag wala ka pang pera na para alagaan yung girlfriend mo, wag ka na munang mag-girlfriend.
No pera, no pepe. As simple as that. No pera, no pepe.
Yeah, wag muna.